Hello, everyone. This is Stock Market Daily. Thank you for joining me today. It is April 4th, 2023. As always, this is not financial advice. Please don't copy my trading strategies because you will lose money. This is only for educational purposes. So, looking at the SPX chart, we had a nice little run up in the morning, hit a new high, and sold off from here. We went as far as 40.86 as the bottom, and then we kind of recovered and basically hung around this 4100 to 4090 area. Now, I remember from about a month ago or whatever it was, this was an area where we've basically hung around for quite a while. And I think I remember in the videos I was saying that, everybody's thinking that the 4100 area is a major resistance and support area. However, I would call it more of a 4090 or so, 4095, maybe even 4080 as the resistance and support area. And actually, this is why we probably have this trend line right here for 4083. So it might need to be raised up a little bit. I don't like to put a lot of trend lines on my charts, just making everything messy. So there is a trend line right here. And obviously, 4100 is a big number still. And you could just do like a mental note of, that there should be a trend line here. But so between here, 4100 and 4084, I would say, is kind of the area where we might see some consolidation, maybe if nothing happens for the next couple of days. So my day today was kind of different. I was traveling in the morning, right when the market was open. I was on the train, and I actually was getting off the train, and I ended up trading only one put option. I hopped into an Uber, and while I was in the Uber, I decided to put a few other put options as well that were, highly were I mean the price, the premium that I would have collected was way out of the possibility at this time, obviously. But I said if the market's going to trend lower and I'm not looking at my computer, I don't mind getting, filled at this particular price. Now, obviously, so that happened in the morning. Time has passed, and I was checking my phone and my computer, and I did see that the market's trending down, and I might get filled. And I did not cancel my order. I kept it as is. I felt confident in, these levels, and that we're going to hover around the 4100 to the 4080 or 4085 area for maybe at least until tomorrow or the day after, before Thursday is the last trading day of the week. So having that in mind, we don't have anything here. A lot of the stuff was already rolled over. The only thing, or closed, and the only thing that was left is this call from last week. So it was actually from yesterday, but I entered the position last week and I had to roll it to Monday, and then I rolled it to today. So these two call options expired worthless, obviously. Then we had a 4105 call, which was right here. That one I sold back for $5, or I bought back, I should say, for $5. The other option was 4095. I had two of them at 4095, the two call options. One was purchased back at 75, the other one was purchased at $60. So that was a good deal. That was done at the market close. Now, on the put side, I had 4110. And for that one, I collected $360. And that's when I ended up, closing my laptop, putting the limits in, and closing my laptop and having to do, whatever I had to do that for the rest of the day. And I entered 4100, which was right here, and that was $450 premium collected. And I went all the way down to 40.90, and I said, if it goes down that much, I would like to collect $500 premium. And it did. I got filled. So, and like I said, I was watching it during that time, and I was making sure that that I'm comfortable holding still, and they got filled, and I was fine with that. So, what happened now is I ended up, obviously, these were in the money. Now the puts were in the money. So this was kind of, end of the day, this was kind of a mess. I had a bunch of call options that were, in the money. I had put options that were in the money. So I had to clean it up. And this is what I came out with after today. So one put option was rolled from 4110 to 4105, and the 4100 was rolled to 4085 for tomorrow. Everything else was closed, or in the case of this one, is closed out of the money, closed for by buying back, or closed out of the money. So overall, pretty good day. And my, like what I want to kind of show here is, I don't want to sound like one of those traders on social media. You guys hear, hey, this, spend 10, 15 minutes per day, just trading and make X amount of money, and then you walk away. But essentially, that's kind of what I did. I traded for a few minutes a day. Obviously I kept kind of checking up on things, but I traded for a few minutes today, and I traded in the morning, and I traded at market close, and I ended up, having a good positive day because of it, and because of the strategy. And so the strategy doesn't make you sit here and watch the market like a hawk. You could enter the position or set a limit and walk away, and then come back at the end of the day, and you can, decide what you're going to do at the end of the day. If you're in the money, you obviously have to take action. If you're out of the money, you might as well just not do anything. So one other thing that I did do today, during the day, I was waiting for an appointment. I was bored. I went out 1 month. I usually don't do this, so I went out 1 month, and let me extend this a little bit. On May 5th, I went out and I sold the 43.25 call, and I bought a 4600 call. So opened up this spread, collected about $1,050 on this spread. I thought that, it's a good deal. I don't know. I don't believe even in the month that we're going to be reaching the 4300s. To me, that seems far-fetched. So I was thinking about doing one of these 1 month or so out spreads for a while now, and it makes more sense to do this on the call side than on the put side, because over here my collateral is about $27,000. I'm not going to do the math right now, but something like that. But if I wanted to collect $1,000 on the put side, my collateral or my margin would have been way, way more. I don't have the math right now, but it would have been way more. So here are the transactions for today. If we add everything up and then we subtract the ones I had to buy back, today the profit was $2,550. So pretty dang good day for having to, be really busy in the morning, be really busy at the time of close, spending just a few minutes on the market, and basically collecting $2,500 in the time that I did. So that's it. And thanks for watching, guys. Like, if you're a subscriber, you know that I do these every single day, but there's a lot of people who are watching this for the first time. If you like the content, please consider subscribing. I do these every single day. Go over the market, go over my trades, and anything else that I see in the market. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.